In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy fruit in King Legacy. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase how you can easily find the option to buy various different fruits in King Legacy. So all that you have to do is join the experience, and on this initial spawn point, you will be able to go over here, past the shop and the blacksmith, and go into this building. So it is a white building with 5 windows on the front, and when you enter this building, you will be able to interact with this NPC. This is what they have to say. I am the distributor of the legacy fruit from the black market. Do you want to buy a legacy fruit? And if you choose the option to buy, you will be able to browse through all of the legacy fruits available. So these are going to be restocked periodically, and you have legendary fruits at the bottom and then common ones at the top. So there is a lot of options. As you can see, you have spin, bomb, human, spike, and so on. I'm gonna scroll down slowly so you can kind of take a look at all of them, but I'm not gonna go over too much detail about all of these. Some are going to be very expensive and you have to purchase them quick before they go out of stock. Once you find one that you like, all that you have to do is choose the option to buy or view at the right side of the screen. You will also be able to gift them to other players, and like I said, usually they will go out of stock very quickly. So you have to join, make sure that you get in as soon as they are restocked, and choose the option to purchase either with Robux or the option to buy with money. And the price is always going to be displayed here at the top. There are plenty of options to choose from, and they will have different prices. If you choose the one with Robux, you will see this little warning, permanent, and then the corresponding fruit that you chose, meaning that you can always buy it even if it is out of stock. If you find something that is in stock, you just need to make sure that you have enough money. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy fruit in King Legacy. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.